Good morning, good evening, wherever you may be across the nation, around the world. My name is Chad Deckard, and thanks for tuning in to my YouTube channel, Cryptos on Fire. Well, anyway, today you probably are tuning in because you want to hook up your bank account to an exchange that trades Bitcoin or Ethereum and get into the cryptocurrency market. I have to say there's a lot of excitement going on. I've been involved in this market since 2012 and have been trading very actively since early April this year. And I have to tell you, it's been absolutely a phenomenal ride, just how exciting it is to trade these currencies. So let's go ahead and get started. I want you to go to Gemini.com or search it on Google as Gemini Exchange Cryptocurrencies. Anyway, here we go. You click register. And on the registration screen, it looks like this. You're going to fill out your full name, email address, password, and obviously click this box to agree with the terms and privacy policy. And then create account. On the next screen, it's going to ask you to probably go to your email address or email box and check for an email that's from them, which would come pretty rapidly. In that email, you'll probably have to click a link to verify that your email address is connected to this account. And I'm going to sign in. Now, when you sign in, it's going to ask you to probably set you up on some type of authentication, like code service. And so there's several out there. Gemini has one of their own, so I'm going to go ahead and put in my code here that they just sent me and you heard the little ring for. This is the dashboard, and you have the ability to buy, sell, and you can deposit either from U.S. bank transfer, a U.S. dollar wire transfer, or if you already have Bitcoin or Ethereum somewhere else and you want to get off the exchanges and convert your Bitcoin or Ethereum into dollars, you can transfer them over into this account now that you've set it up, and you can just sell it right away and cash out. The only thing is you'll have to, basically connect your bank account in order to do that. So we're going to go ahead and show you how to deposit. We're going to start with bank transfer. So on this screen, it's going to get you started with setting up a bank that you can transfer money to. You can go down here and manage your bank accounts. And we go to a screen like this, and you have your profile information, notification settings, security settings, bank settings, and you'd be able to read this information about setting a bank up. You would go to the wire transfer screen once you've set up your banks, and you'd put in how much you want to wire transfer. In order to be able to wire transfer bank, you still have to be approved first by Gemini. And that's why I highly recommend that you do this as soon as possible, because it takes about a week, maybe two, depending on how busy it is. And so if you want to buy Bitcoin from your dollars, you can go here. If you want to buy Ethereum, you can go here. Or if you want to exchange Ethereum for Bitcoin, you can do that without having to go directly into a dollar. And thus it would save you some commissions if you want to just exchange the two. Here's a sell button, and it's going to be up to you to educate yourself on these different types of trades. I particularly don't really use any other trade but a limit. Put in your price, put in the quantity you think you want to buy, and then the total. And you can, once you feel like I felt the Bitcoin went to a certain price, I elected that I didn't really want to continue to go any higher. And I cashed out in dollars. And in order to sell your Bitcoin, you put information all through here, and then you click submit. And so that's basically really it. Recommend that you tune into my next video. I'm going to show you how to transfer your Bitcoin and Ethereum out of this exchange into a crypto wallet as well as another exchange.